whatever it is that makes you happy in the moment. It could be taking a walk, it could be taking a long bath, it could be ordering something healthy to eat versus cooking. Whatever it is that you can do to make yourself feel good. It could be taking a nap. Moms, ladies, you deserve it. What's up, and welcome to my channel. Now, I know the foodie family's here. Y'all true to this and y'all ain't new to this, so welcome back. Y'all, it is Mother's Day weekend, and this year I decided for Mother's Day that I wanted to take myself on a Mother's Day retreat. So I'm doing a staycation, essentially. It's Mother's Day weekend. Friday, last night, I checked into my hotel. It is now Saturday morning, and we are up. We have one official thing on the schedule during this whole retreat, and that is my spa day. We're gonna go where the wind blows us. We're wearing comfy clothes, you know, letting our hair just do what our hair does, and we're just gonna relax and practice some self-care. So comment down below, let me know what you all are doing, what you moms are doing for Mother's Day, and what you're doing for your mom for Mother's Day. So let's hurry up and go to the spa, because it's time to relax. All right, come on y'all, let's go. Okay, y'all, my intentions were to walk to the spa because it's not that far, but like I said, I was running late, so we had to hop a ride over to Spa Habitat in the Shops of Legacy in Plano, Texas. And y'all, let me tell you about this service right here. It's called an organic foot ritual. Now, I wanted like a 90-minute massage, but since I booked at the last minute, they only had a 50-minute. So I was like, y'all, what else can I add? And they suggested this foot ritual. I was not expecting this. Look at what he is doing to my feet. I don't even know what that is, but I know I like it. I know I want it again. So y'all, if you're in the DFW area, they have multiple locations. Go to Spa Habitat. And I had some nice green tea to keep my metabolism going. Oh, it was wonderful. Look how my feet look and my legs. I think they look 15 years younger, if you ask me. Next up was my massage. I did a farm to spa massage. Spa Habitat is the only spa that I'm going to moving forward, y'all. I literally feel like I just need a cigarette at this moment, and I don't even smoke. I showed y'all, I think it's called a foot ritual. I will link them down below, and I'll also put in the description the services that I had. Better than 10 out of 10, better than top tier. I feel so good. Good choice. I'm feeling so good and so relaxed. And my muscles, everything feels so just loose and rejuvenated. So much so that I'm walking back to the hotel. Let me show you how close I am. That tall building right there is the Renaissance. So definitely within walking distance, but since I was running late this morning, I had to catch a ride. So let's get over to the hotel and get ready. I think we're gonna do a pool day. Oh, and I'm hoping that my friend wants to eat lunch by the pool, which is why I have on my swimsuit. So let's go eat. All right, so I told y'all I was coming to the pool and I was gonna meet a friend for lunch. And this is Portia. Y'all seen Portia before. We cooked in the kitchen last summer, but now we're being served here at the pool. We'll have our cocktails.
Yes.
Thank you for coming to meet me, Portia, on my Mother's Day retreat.
Absolutely.
This is Dante's mom.
Dante's mom.
Okie dokie. So just walked Portia out. And now the question is, what do I do for the rest of my Saturday? I think I'm gonna head back up to the pool and just see if I can't catch a few Z's. I am so happy that I decided to go ahead and book this Mother's Day retreat because I was telling Portia when she was here, when we were having lunch, that I actually came up with the idea to do this maybe a couple months ago. I think maybe I was at home and we were watching something, and I think a Mother's Day advertisement came up. And I just, without even thinking, I was like, for Mother's Day, I want to go on a retreat. I was telling Nick, I just want to like do a staycation, Friday, Saturday, and then, meet it with y'all on Sunday. And he was like, okay. But you know what it is, y'all? Sometimes we feel like we are not, what's the word? I don't want to say worthy, but when you work really, really hard, especially as an entrepreneur, as a mom, whatever you do, when you work really hard, sometimes you feel like you don't deserve to take a break. So anyway, long story short, as Mother's Day kept getting closer and closer and closer, in the back of my mind, I was like, I want to do this Mother's Day staycation, but I couldn't, for whatever crazy reason, couldn't bring myself to like make the reservations. I guess because I was having that feeling of like, have I really done enough to deserve to do something like this? I don't know what that kind of thinking is, but that's what was going on. And it is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday, obviously. And I did not even book the room or book my massage until yesterday, like 2 hours before I checked in. Because I was just, maybe it's this imposter syndrome. So comment down below. Tell me what your definition of imposter syndrome is. Anyway, the point of all this rambling, because I'm rambling at this point, is that don't have imposter syndrome. Celebrate your wins and celebrate the times that you don't win, but you learn. And whatever it is that makes you happy in the moment, it could be taking a walk, it could be taking a long bath, it could be ordering something healthy to eat versus cooking. Whatever it is that you can do to make yourself feel good. It could be taking a nap. Moms, ladies, you deserve it. Okay, y'all. So, I finally got in the water, but I am sad. I am so sad that the sun went down. So, I think it's about 7 o'clock. And I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner. Okay, Foodie Family. I am recharged and heading to dinner. I'm gonna try Bob's Steak and Chop House. So let's see. Hopefully it's not crowded because I don't have a reservation. So let's see what happens. Okay, Foodie Fam, here we are pulling up on Bob's Steak and Chop House. Now, check out the menu. I did look at it online before I came over here because I had to make sure they would have something that I would possibly enjoy. And can y'all believe that I did not start with a cocktail? I sure didn't. But I did get some bread, which I never really do. I'm not a big bread eater, but I was like, why not try it? And that bread, it was piping hot. It was really good. Then I got their Maryland-style crab cake with a warm honey mustard sauce. It was okay. The sauce was interesting. But this salad, blue cheese salad with boiled eggs. If you've been following my meal prep journey, you know I love boiled eggs on my salad with crunchy romaine. The entree, it was a shrimp scampi, was not that great. So I ended up taking it with me, even though I knew I was not going to eat it. And I ordered dessert to go too. Got back to the room and I had to close the curtains so that I can sleep in as late as possible. Then I got in the bed, Indian style, eating this chocolate cake. It was all right. Too much chocolate though. Morning. First time I'm using my voice today. Good morning and happy Mother's Day. It is Sunday, which means it is the day that I check out the last few moments of my Mother's Day retreat. It's coming to an end. Or is it? I do need to meet up with my family, Nick and Cadence. I've already talked to them this morning. Not sure what the plans are when we get together, but I just want to come in and say happy Mother's Day. The weather was perfect. It was supposed to rain and storm, and it did not until like 3 or 4 this morning, but that was perfect because the sound of the rain against my window pane, honey. It was very, very relaxing. So at any rate, like I said, I just wanted to make sure I came on and said happy Mother's Day. All I've done so far is get up and wash and moisturize my face. I just love this, not having a plan, not having a schedule or an agenda. So I don't know what I'm going to get into after I check out, but this was very much needed. So let's go see what we can get into before we head back home and get back to our meal prepping lifestyle, honey. Y'all, look at all this stuff. I bought shoes, dresses, purses, hairstyling tools, all my good makeup, and didn't use none of it the whole time. Oh. Same 2 outfits I've worn the entire Mother's Day staycation, and I'm not mad about it because this was comfortable. I think it means it's time to go. So y'all, after they kicked me out for staying an hour past my late checkout, I shot over to Tommy Bahama to have an appetizer because Nick and Cadence were going to come over and meet me, and I was starving. And y'all, they have really good coconut shrimp. So good. So I sat out on the patio, and there are the coconut shrimp. Now, I did have a cocktail, okay? It was almost 2 o'clock by this time. Look how big they are. They were so good. And even that coleslaw, I ate it all. Killed it. DOA. Y'all, look who it is. There's Nick. Oh, look at Cadence with her little cute orange dress on. So after picking up my little gift for myself at Coach, this is all about self-care, right, ladies? I went over they had a floral pop-up shop at Legacy West just for Mother's Day where you can pick your own flowers and then they will put it together in a nice bouquet. Y'all know I had to pick all the purples, but not that carnation. I'm picking all the tulips and the roses, and my favorite flower of all, it was a yellow bloom that I picked, but beautiful ranunculus. Do you see how pretty that is? And they make the bouquet for you, like I said. And look who paid for it, y'all. Cadence getting flowers for her mama on Mother's Day. See how pretty it turned out? You see that ranunculus? Just beautiful. So after the flowers, we shot over to Legacy Food Hall. Nick and Cadence got some food. And y'all, I made a mimosa. It was a build your own mimosa bar. I got watermelon and strawberry, and it was delicious. And look who's already in here. Cadence Simone Bailey. All right, Mother's Day Retreat 2023 is in the books. Time to go home and take a nap. Let's ride. Foodie family, thank you for hanging out with me on my first annual Mother's Day retreat. Remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and comment, like, and share. See y'all next time.